Okay guys, what's up? This is right here. Let me just do a talking meal of these 5 blowers here. We got the 2 BG50s, we got the 2 BG no, we got the 2 BG55s, 2 BG50s, and then 1 BG86 BG56 CE. Now, I mean, okay, so this is kind of weird. This one, we got this one, I think it was back in 2009, I think it was, and this is his first blower ever. And you might guys even know that because you can see this is a 2009 model, and you can see, and this one he bought this thing, it was brand new, not being used before, and I used it when I was a child, and you can see still it is, because I know it's got some like dirt spots on some of the stuff right here, you can see, but that's got some dirt spots on it. It's got like dirt spots on it. It's not usually like that, but and it used to have that cover switch, but it's probably ripped off or something like that, because, but this probably still runs good. It probably needs a pliable board replacement, because you can probably see some cracks on the pliable board, which a lot of stuff, if it had pliable boards, they would get cracks on the equipment, which is difficult. And then this one, we got this, no, the 56, we found this one, it was sitting outside, because somebody was leaving it outside and then probably did not think, and you can see it's got some broken chips on it, it's got some like dirt on it, but it used to have a sparkler screen on it, but I think they took it off because I know people just don't like cleaning the sparkler screen, which, I mean, you can actually clean the sparkler screen, or you just remove it, whatever you want to do, and then that's pretty nice. And this is a 2011 model of the BG55, because we have 2 of them like here, but we just get to try the grandparents, which actually was kind of nice. And this one, it didn't have the badge, but we had to customize this badge right here, and that's because if it didn't have the badge, like if they lit off, then we could probably replace it. And this one, he found this on the side of the road. I know it's got some scratches. I know got some probably dense broken pieces right here, and the tube is actually kind of melted right here a little bit, which is fine. And it still has the sparkler as a screen, which is, you can see it, you can't even see it, but it's in there. Can't see that well. As you can see, there it is. It's the same, but this one's kind of a little dirty than that one right here, which is, I think, and I didn't know this one. This one has a carburetor adjustment on it. This one has the same thing. Yeah, it does. So, because even though these 2 are exactly the same models, which, and then this one, this is the 2019 model, and we found this one, well, somebody actually did not take care of this thing at all, whatsoever. And people just leave them just outside, and you can tell this is a 2019 model, because you look under here, it is a 2019 model. And this was this one was replaced, they make it this because they discontinued the 55, which is down there. And they moved on these 2 right here, which they used to on it, but they moved it on this one. And this one has a small exhaust, you can't see like that, but it is very nice. And this one's kind of newest. Well, it's not actually newest. I mean, in 2015 they actually have the 2019. 2015 they came out with the BG50, and they have the half choke on this one, but this one does not have it, because usually you put it on choke and then you usually put it on like here and then run, okay? And it does have the same switch, which people are so annoyed with that switch, which I don't know why, because and this one, we found this one that's on the box. It was supposed to be theirs next to the chainsaw was, but it's definitely is not. But you can tell this is the 2020 model, because if you look under here, it is a 2020 model, so it's definitely. I mean, this one's. I actually didn't actually. You could see exactly looks. Right, I mean, these two look exactly, even though they're exactly the same models. It's like the BG55s, which I think it's probably actually looks. I mean, yeah, I expected, but. I mean, to me, it actually looks, I mean, I don't, know why. And that one's the 2010 model. That's the 2011 model. That's the 2009 model. That's the 2019. And that's the 2020 model. And you could tell. And you can see, for being useful, it's already got a broken chip right there on the starter wheel, and it got some scratches on it. And this one's got the same thing, scratches on it. This one's probably got scratches on it, and that one's probably got scratches on it, and that one's probably got scratches on it. But like I said, they're being used a lot in this whole season, so you know that.